first Yakar. Welcome to the Mix and Match channel. Do subscribe and hit the bell button to get updated with the daily upcoming videos.
Are you bored sitting on that regular table chair and following that same routine? Then let's quickly DIY something cheap and easy peasy for your changes, because change is important. I have used this carpet. You can use any carpet or a mat available at your home. Then I have used this sofa sitting cushion, that is old cushions of my sofa. You can use any if you have at home. I think every Indian home have that gadda. You can use even that. Then arrange them as shown in the video. Then cover them with any piece of cloth. I have this yellow cover. I have used this to cover it. Now you can use any of your bed sheets to cover them so that it can look better and more presentable. Oh, I forgot. You first need to select your cozy corner. You can have those small cushions for your back support and your comfortability. Also, it looks good if you keep above them, just for a decor purpose also. I have used this 5 square cushions and 2 small round cushions. Can use any according to your need and what you have. And also, don't forget to do it all with your desire. If you want to close the door, then close it and shift a bit. You can use it for as your workspace, or simply using your cell phone, or enjoying the music. As your reading corner, or enjoying the sunlight in this chilly winter with your coffee, tea or a juice.